where we're excited to embark on a journey of learning and growing together. Today marks our first tutorial video, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. C++ is a powerful and versatile programming language, and we believe that it's never too late to start learning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, there's always something new to discover and learn. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions on what you'd like to see in our future videos, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and it helps us create content that's tailored to your needs. Once again, thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning, and keep growing. Cheers! Line 1. #include IOStream is a header file library that lets us work with input and output objects, such as count used in line 5. Header files add functionality to C++ programs. Line 2. Using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Don't worry if you don't understand how. #include IOStream and using namespace std works. Just think of it as something that almost always appears in your program. Line 3. A blank line. C++ ignores white space, but we use it to make the code more readable. Line 4. Another thing that always appears in a C++ program is int main. This is called a function. Any code inside its curly brackets will be executed. Line 5. Count pronounced cout is an object used together with the insertion operator to output or print text. In our example, it will output hello world. Note, every C++ statement ends with a semicolon. Note, the body of int main could also be written as int main count hello world, return 0. Remember, the compiler ignores white spaces. However, multiple lines makes the code more readable. Line 6, return 0, ends the main function. Line 7, do not forget to add the closing curly bracket to actually end the main function.